Welcome to the BreachLock Platform. In this demo, we will cover both the PTaaS schedule and retesting of pentests, as both of these features are integral to our customers and their pen testing experience with BreachLock. When the user clicks on either of these features, it will reveal a real-time, absolute transparent view of their penetration testing scope, pen test configurations, and the status of all pen tests and retests. BreachLock offers human-led manual pen testing as well as continuous pen testing that is automated, providing our clients with the flexibility and the versatility to choose the solutions that best align with their business and security requirements. BreachLock recommends a hybrid approach or a combination of both manual and continuous pen testing for the best outcomes. For continuous pen testing or scanning, please refer to our attack surface management and continuous pen testing demos. The PTaaS feature of the BreachLock platform reflects the results of human-led or manual pen testing only. So let's first start with the Schedule feature. Once a user clicks on the Schedule tab, they will see all pen test configurations by engagement type and whether it was a pen test or a retest. This dashboard will also show the pen test type or what asset was tested, for example, external network, and whether it was a black box, white box, or gray box pen test. Adjacent to this will be the status of either the pen test or retest and its completion date. In this demo, all assets were tested in a black box setting, and all pen tests and retests were completed. If you change and click on the next set of rows and move to the next page, you will see the status of a pen test that is in progress as well. Adjacent to the status is the completion date of the pen test or retest. Under Actions, the user will see an eye icon. Click on this to view the scope of the pen test or retest, which includes the asset that was tested or retested and the IP address. Depending on the scope, assets tested or retested are listed in rows of 10. In this case, only one asset was pen tested. The schedule screen is a tabular output to demonstrate the schedule and the state of a penetration test. The retest page is different as it shows the retest and days to expire, and we will cover retesting shortly. In addition, users will see an orange export button in the top right corner. A user can click on this to download a CSV or Excel report, which lists all pen test and retest configurations. The export is specific to the schedule feature to provide a more focused output for users. Now let's go to the retest feature. Retest feature is located right below the schedule feature on the left of the dashboard. The user can click on the retest tab and will instantly be provided with a real-time view of all pen test retests that have been completed. It will also provide a view into pen tests whereby the retest has expired or hasn't run yet. For those pen tests that have not been run, the retest can simply expire, or the dashboard will provide the user with the number of days that are left in which they can run their free retest. So for example, you will see the external network black box test completed on March 14th, and the free retest has been consumed. Whereas the web application black box pen test was completed, but the free retest has not expired and is yet to be consumed. Whereas below this, there's another web application black box test, but the retest has expired and has reached its limit of 180 days. Lastly, you will see those such as an Android application gray box test, which shows the pen test has been completed, but the user has 65 days left to run a free retest. Starting on the far left, you will see the asset and type of pen test, whether it be black box, white box, or gray box. Adjacent to that, you will see the pen test ID and the status of the pen test and/or retest, its completion date, and retest countdown. Again, retest countdown shows whether the organization's free retest has been consumed, or if the free retest has expired within the contracted time, or how many days are left in which the user can run a retest on this particular asset. Under Actions, you will see, once again, two icons. The eye icon provides a view of the assets or asset that was pen tested, or retested in this case. By clicking on this box, it will pop up, again showing the asset and the IP address and an alias if one was given. The circular icon adjacent to the eye icon allows the user to run the retest with one click. Again, if the retest has been consumed or the retest has expired, the user will not be able to run a retest. And as you can see here, once I've clicked, it will state you have consumed your available retest limit. Please contact the support team for any other queries. However, if the pen test has been completed and the retest has not been consumed, the user may see how many days are left in which to complete the retest. In the top right, you will see an orange Export tab. Users can click on this to download a CSV or Excel file of all pen tests and retests that have been consumed, expired, or those pen tests in which the retest is still available. This export is specific to the retest feature to provide a more focused output for users. So to recap, the PTaaS schedule and retest features of the BreachLock platform both provide a real-time absolute transparent view of an organization's penetration testing results conducted manually by BreachLock, OSCP, OSCE, and CREST certified pen testing experts. The PTaaS schedule feature provides easy consumption for security teams to review all pen tests and retests that have been completed by asset type and pen test type, whether black, white, or gray box, and the completion date of the pen test or retest. Users can download reports for these pen test configurations. The PTaaS retest feature provides a view of all pen tests and retests that have already been consumed, expired, or the number of days remaining in which the user can complete a free retest. This concludes both the PTaaS schedule and retest features of the BreachLock platform. Thank you.